What's up, you guys? I'm back with another video. So today we're doing another mod for the Camaro, and we're installing an Underglow, which it's right here, and we went with the company One Up Lighting. This is their product. It's just some LED strips. There are 3 basically, and the driver's side already installed it. And for this one, I'm just gonna show you guys on a hyperlapse, which is just 2 double-sided tape, I'm just gonna go with that instead of just installing some screws and zip ties, which I don't need. So yeah, this is the module to control it from your phone, which is pretty nice. And that's it. I'll show you the rest in a hyperlapse, all the install. So this side is already mounted. I did one side, the driver's side. So I did it right here, and then along the line over there, as you can see, I just need to fix that wire, and it goes all the way to the side. And then for the front, it's right here, as you can see. I just have the other side to do, and I'll be a hyperlapse on that one, so that'll be on the next clip. So this is the external battery I'm running the Underglow, and right now I already powered with my phone, and I have it on purple. That's how I'm running it. But I'll show you later in the night when it's more dark, so you can see it. You could probably see a little, but not as much as at night. So this is the Underglow. It's a little bit darker, and I control it with my phone. And you can see red, blue, green, blue, whitish, yellow, and that's the other functions on the modes, which you can see them right here. It looks pretty awesome. But obviously I'm gonna be running them only with purple when I'm driving, because I believe you can only drive with purple, green. And those are the only 2 colors you could run while on the streets. That's pretty neat.